Hello from the children of planet Earth.
SETI stands for the Search for Extraterrestrial Intelligence, and what we actually do is try and use telescopes, radio telescopes, optical telescopes, to see if we can find evidence of someone else's technology out there, and thereby maybe find out whether we have some cosmic company. We've been on telescopes on and off, more off than on, during the past 40 years, trying to look for a very important needle in a very, very large haystack. And basically we've pulled out a couple of straws and examined those. Throughout human history, we've wondered whether we're the only intelligent beings in this whole universe. And all we could do in the past was to ask our wise people. In the second half of the 20th century, for the very first time in all of human history, we had some tools, telescopes, that would allow us to try and do an experiment to answer this old question. This really is traditional exploratory science. It's just a different field that people haven't worked in the past. When you look at the kinds of signals that Mother Nature can make, they occupy big pieces of frequency, space, and time. So in SETI, we go looking for signals that look artificial and not natural. To search for signals of any kind, you basically start with a telescope, and always bigger is better. You focus it on some sort of detector, and then you follow that detector with hardware and software that show what's going on. In SETI, it's not so much the image, the picture that we're interested in. It's being able to explore patterns that might be interesting signals, and then to decide which of those patterns are signals that are being generated by terrestrial technology and which might really possibly be coming from a distant star. And to date, unfortunately, all the signals that we found have been our own. We don't always know exactly what's producing them, but we know the signals aren't coming from a distant star.